Hi guys, it's Paula and I hope you are doing well. This is going to be the finale for the Friends Project Pan collaboration project. This project was based on the characters of the Friends TV show and I thought it was so much fun. Even though this wasn't the most successful Project Pan ever for me, I'm still really glad I did this project and I'm still really glad that I was able to use and enjoy several products that I might not have otherwise if it weren't for this project. But before I get into the finale, I just wanted to point out that this project was created by Amy, who is Curly Loves Books and Beauty, here on YouTube as well as over on Instagram. I will have her information linked down below. And Amy is working on round 2 of this project. I think she's planning on tweaking it a little bit. However, if you are interested in joining in this project for the next round, please DM her over on Instagram and let her know that you'd like to join in. I'm sure she will include you on the information when round 2 comes along if you are interested. Because this is a large group collab, you could search others doing this project using the hashtag FriendsPP2013, both here on YouTube as well as over on Instagram. I hope you check out some other people that are doing this project if you haven't already. So today is the finale. We've been working on 5 products at a time and it's rolling. And like I said, it was based on all of the characters. I only met my goal on 1 item throughout the 6-month-long project, and I did not meet any new goals. Today I was kind of holding out hope for a couple, but it didn't happen. So let me show you where I ended up with the 5 products I'm currently working on and what my plans are for them now that this project is over. The first prompt was for Monica, and that is your cleanest product. I went with my Soap and Glory face wash, and I was pretty sure I could finish this during the 6-month-long project, but I kind of wanted to get a better idea of how much I was using up on a monthly basis, and I think the answer is pretty clear. I think I've been pretty consistent about how much I've been using up on a month-to-month basis. I don't have a new mark, but I'm right here, as you'd imagine, for the finale. And this is going to stay in my shower and I'm going to keep using it. I am about a third of the way through this product, and it took me 6 months to get there. So this should be done in about another year, and I'm just going to keep working on it. It's a really good face wash. It has like a lime and mint scent, and yeah, my face feels really good after I use it. So this is going to stay in rotation, but I probably won't put this in a future project. Now that I got my question answered as far as how long it's going to take me to use this up, there's really no point of putting this in a project again unless I have some project that calls for a very, very specific prompt where only this would fit. Probably the next time you'll see it will be in my empties bin in about a year, give or take a month. The next product was for Ross, and I had the prompt wrong this whole time. The prompt that I went with was a product that you're anxious to finish. Amy had talked about that being the prompt for Ross in an earlier conversation. She changed it in the final determination, and I missed that memo. So I went with the wrong prompt, but for that prompt, I chose my MAC lipstick in Gotta Dash. I am wearing it again today. I've worn it twice today, but to be honest, those are probably the only 2 times I've worn it since last month's update. I just kind of stopped using this and I can't explain why. I can't tell you why, but I have been pairing this with different lip liners because on its own, this color is a little strange. All by itself, it's just a little bit of a strange vibe, like a milky peach. However, when I pair it with different lip liners, I usually find it becomes much more wearable. My 2 favorites have been a brown lip liner, which I'm wearing today for the first time actually, and I really like it. And I've also been combining this with a pink lip liner that works really well too. So this isn't the best shade on me as a standalone lipstick, but the formula is amazing and I do love it. This was I don't know if it was limited edition or not, but this Cream Sheen Supreme, I think is what it was called. I'm not going to be able to see it right now. But whatever this formula was is not available anymore, but it was a good one. It feels like a lip balm and I really like it. For now, this product is going to go back into my office. I'm probably not going to continue working on it. I have a couple of other lip products I really need to focus in on between now and the end of this year. But I do hope to bring this back in a project again really soon and hopefully finish it off. There's really not that much left. It would be great to finish it off. The next prompt was for Mr. Treager, a product that fixes your look. I chose this under eye corrector from Trish McAvoy, the Correct and Brighten Concealer. I was really hoping that this would be gone today, but I have no way of knowing how much product is left because I cannot see through the silver packaging at all. I'm basing that on how it feels when I twist it up. This is a twist up pen. And when I first started using this, like I would twist it once or twice and a whole lot of product would come out of the pen. Now I have to twist it like 6-7 times to get any product out. So I feel like we are getting there, but I was still able to use it today to do my makeup and it seems to be going strong. So unfortunately, I did not meet my goal of finishing this. However, this is a lovely product. I am in way too deep to put it away at this point. I cannot quit this. This is not going back in my office. It is going to stay in the bathroom until it's gone. And I'm really hoping this will be an empty for 2023. I did recently put another under eye corrector in another project because I thought this would be gone by now. So I think from here on out, I'm going to start splitting my time between the two. But for the most part, I've been using this exclusively. So I am going to decrease my usage on this so that I could start working on the other under eye corrector that I have in another project. But I am going to keep working on this and hopefully it will be gone before the end of the year. The next prompt was for Marcel, a product with animal pattern, packaging, or name. I went with a bronzer from my Too Faced little black book of bronzers, the shade Pink Leopard. There was quite a saga with this bronzer during this project. For basically the first 5 months of this project, I was not in love with this bronzer. I just couldn't make it work. It was like gold streaks on my skin. I looked like C3PO. I mean, it was just not good. And then just this last month, we had a breakthrough and I've been wearing it every single day for this past month. And I was really, really hoping to have pan by today, but I didn't quite get there. The same thing is happening with this bronzer that happened with this bronzer. Even though I'm not intentionally placing my brush in one particular area, my brush just seems to pick up more product in one area. And in this case, it is right up here in this corner. And I think in that little groove right there with the light goldish shade in between the darker bronzy shade and the pink is where the pan is going to be hit first. It is the deepest there. And I don't know why it is so much deeper there than everywhere else. But however my brush hits this pan, that's where it goes to and kicks up the most product. If I could have fallen in love with this product a little bit sooner, I probably would have had pan. However, this is another product that I am in way too deep with to just walk away from it. I cannot walk away from this pan quite yet, but like the color corrector, I do have another bronzer that I should be working on, but haven't been because I've been using this every single day. So again, I think I'm going to keep working on this until I hit pan, but I will be kind of splitting my time between this and the bronzer I'm also supposed to be working on, but haven't been. So that is my plan. I'm hoping that I'll have pan on this really soon. I really feel like I'm so close. But yeah, I finally got in the groove with this product and it took forever, but I don't know, I'm wearing it today. I feel like it's all right. It's funny. Makeup is funny like that. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, then I love it. I will either be talking about this product in my next products I have pan with, or if you want to keep an eye out for when I hit pan on this, follow me on Instagram. I post all of my pans hit on Instagram. So if you want to see when I hit pan on this, follow me on Instagram if you're not already. Same name, a beauty guru made me do it. And the final product that I have been working on is for Mr. Heckles, and that is a product with pan. I went with my Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice palette. This isn't from the original products I chose for this project. This was rolled in a couple months ago, maybe 3 months ago. So I've only been working on this shadow, this blush, for 3 months. However, I already had pan on it, and my goal was to just expand the pan, work my way towards finishing it off. I am really hoping that I could finish this blush off at some point, but it is very, very slow moving. Despite the fact that I already have that huge pan in the middle, it goes nowhere from month to month. I am not using this exclusively. I've been working on other blushes as well. And in fact, I've been finding myself reaching for peachier blushes more often than like a dusty mauve shade like this. So I haven't been using it the most, but I did use it, and I'm glad I got some more use out of it. This is not a product that I can't put down right now. Right now, I feel like I can put this down. I can walk away from it. I'm so glad I was able to enjoy it over the past 3 months, but I can walk away and take a break from this again for a little while. But I definitely hope to put this back in a project again, hopefully for next year. Maybe I'll find a project to put this in and I could finally finish it off next year, because it is a great shade. But I have other blushes I need to get back to, and I'm just so all about the peach blushes still that I'm just not going to be reaching for this as much as I wish I would, because I just want to wear a peach blush every day. All right, so that is it for this finale for the Friends Project Pan 2023. Thank you so much for joining me for this project. I had so much fun working on it. Thank you so much to Amy for creating this project. Like I said in every other update, I know that there have been other Friends themed project pans before, but I feel like the way she linked the products to the characters of the show, as well as the fact that I've never done a Friends project pan, made this very special for me, and I was really excited to join in and do this project. So thank you, Amy. All right, guys, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.